Guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, special welcome to you. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your screen timeout in a Windows 11. So what you want to do, simply right click on the Windows icon on your taskbar and you want to click on settings. Now from here, you want to click on system on the upper left hand side, and then you want to select power and battery option here from the list. Now here you will see the option on the power that says screen and sleep. You want to go ahead and click this little drop down towards the right hand side to expand it, and now you have two options here on battery and when plugged in. Both of these, you can see it says turn off my screen after, right? And it's currently set to 30 minutes. So yours might be set to maybe 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, depending on what it is. And that's why you're experiencing quick screen timeout, right? So how you go ahead and change this is by simply select whatever you want. You can set it up to 5 hours or even set it to never. So you can change these to never so that your screen will never ever time out again. But it's really up to you if you want to select never or you want to just give it a couple of hours before it actually times out. But that's it, guys. That's how you easily go ahead and change your screen timeout in Windows 11. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video. And if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.